Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable adaptive brightness on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and choose the Display option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your display features. Step 3. Next, scroll down the menu to locate the Adaptive Brightness option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the Use Adaptive Brightness option to turn it on. Do you want to turn the option off again? Then, tapping the option will turn it off by itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.